Hey guys, just leaving Value Village here in St. John. I picked up myself electronic handheld game from the 1990s called Jeopardy. It's based off the TV hit show, game show by Alex Trebek. It's from the 1990s, made by Tiger Electronics. I paid $7.99 for it. Comes with a game cartridge and a book, and by the looks of it, the instructions for the console. Also, I bought for $3.99 an unopened game answer question book and a cartridge for this machine. Brand new condition. There you go, out of its package, never opened, still in a bubble plastic, whatever it is, container. Here's the console I took out of the bag. Looks to be in brand new condition. 1995. The game cartridge that came with it is still in it. Takes 4 AA batteries. The book. And the book of instructions for the console. Doesn't look like it's been played with at all. If very little, if any. So there it all is for $12. Not a bad day at the used goods store.